Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to prepare my home observatory for the 25-26 astrophotography season. My name is Morten and you are watching Frost Astrophotography. We are slowly closing in on the middle of August here at 63 degrees north, and tonight is actually the first night with nautical darkness, even though it's only 30 minutes. We are getting more of that in the coming week, and hopefully by the end of August here we will move into astro darkness up here as well. First of all, I'm going to clean the observatory, making it ready for the new season. I'm also going to mount the telescope, get it balanced and polar aligned, and I'm going to run some new cables from the PC to the telescope to match my cable management. Then I'm going to make sure that all of the equipment is connected and is properly powered and working. I'm also going to do some maintenance on the outside of the observatory. I'm going to remove some dirt, put in some extra ground insulation and some gravel around the observatory. This is to prevent any frost damage and also make it easier to keep it tidy around the observatory. Let's take a quick look at the surroundings of my observatory. As you can see here, I am going to clean up this mess. I don't want things growing on the side of my observatory here. I want it nice and neat, and I want to be able to cut the grass with my lawnmower and not have to get my trimmer or any other tools to clean around the observatory here. Underneath the observatory there is insulation, but I've never had any issues with observatory building itself raising up or being lowered with the frost and thawing of the ground here. Just to be on the safe side, I am going to add some insulation underneath the gravel that I'm going to add later on to make it easier to maintain around the observatory. For those of you that has been hanging around for a couple of years, you might have noticed that I've had some problem with frost damage on the support pillars to my roll-off roof. So now I'm going to stabilize them and insulate the ground to hopefully prevent this from happening again. I have, however, been having a couple of issues with the support for the roll-off roof. Not in a way that the roof actually has been compromised, but around the poles here, where they are screwed into the ground, it is a bit soft soil. So this has actually been sinking and raised with frost and thawing. So to fix that, I have been temporarily raising and lowering the support poles here during the season for warm weather and for cold weather. But of course, even though that works and there's no real issues with the roof itself, I really want to avoid doing that. So I'm going to dig out around the support structure here and insulate the ground, stabilize the screws there, and that will make for a problematic-free winter, I'm hoping. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already doing so. If you are in a position with astro darkness, I wish you have clear skies.